It's been a while since I posted. I think the last video I made was an IntelliLink fix. Now, for those of you that have this truck, or maybe I want to say the older generation, I'm not sure. I think it's all the same shit. I will tell you, I've been having a really annoying issue with rough idling. And I don't know if y'all have run into the same issue too, but lately my truck has been idling weird. And the RPM gauge over here, I don't know, for some reason the little needle is dancing from like 1,000 to 1,500 back to 1,000, 1,500. It was annoying. I would step on the gas when I was idling, and as soon as I let go of the pedal, the gas would stay stuck. Like the RPMs would stay stuck like at 1,500. It would not go down. I had to turn the vehicle off just to get it down, start it again. I didn't know exactly what to do. So I just decided to, do a little bit of maintenance bit by bit. I started with the spark plugs, changed the spark plug wiring, which was weird because the original spark plug wires that came with the truck, they were like a 12660 They were they had gray boots on them. These are black. Now the original spark plug wires that they make for this truck, I guess they discontinued them. I'm not really sure. I couldn't find them anywhere. That part number does not exist. So apparently these are the replacement ones. So I replaced everything. Did not help. I bought a can of that seafoam spray that you're supposed to spray here on the intake. And for the most part, it helped a little bit, but it did not solve my issue. I checked everything. I thought I had vacuum leaks. Went through damn near half a bottle of propane trying to figure out what the hell was going on. And I wasn't messing around. I actually used a big bottle of propane. And I cleaned the throttle body, cleaned the mass airflow sensor. Nothing was helping. It was to the point where I was just going to give up and go to the dealership, see if they can get rid of this weird idle. I was all out of ideas. I cleaned everything I needed clean, cleaned my filter, everything. And tested the battery. Nothing did it for me. It wasn't until I noticed that I was getting this really weird noise coming from, I want to say it was my fan belt or the serpentine belt. I'm not really sure. I didn't think much of it. But I had tried everything else, so I figured, I'll just give it a whirl, see what happens. Well, down there, the crankshaft has 3 belts connected to it. It has one for the power steering right there. It's got one for the AC there and the larger serpentine belt. You're not gonna believe me, but I changed out, for shits and giggles, I changed out the belt for the AC, and all of my idling, rough idle, went away. Everything. This truck runs so smooth when I'm sitting in it, it doesn't even feel like it's on anymore. It's ridiculous. Now, I'm not really sure if it'll work for everybody, but if you're having a problem with idle, I would seriously consider changing your belts out, because seriously, this truck, there's no shake. It's ridiculous. I have never been so happy. But yeah, if you guys are having the same issue, change out the spark plugs, clean out the throttle body, and change out that belt. I'm not guaranteeing you it was gonna work, but it definitely worked for me. This truck is running absolutely beautiful. And it's a 2017, and I use it so much that, let me show you. I'm really rough on this truck. It's got 70,000 miles on it already. I drive it up and down all over the country for work. So this thing was definitely in need of some love. Nah, that's all I did to it. I changed the plugs and the wires, cleaned out the throttle body, and changed that belt. And it wasn't until I changed that belt that everything started running like butter. This thing runs like the day I got it off the lot. So that's something y'all are having problems with, you know, give it a look. You know, let me know in the comments if it worked out for you. If not, well, maybe I can help you out. But other than that, yeah, you know, it feels good to know that I could throw a little knowledge out there for y'all. Hope it works.